Want to elevate your career with practical economics skills? The Master of Applied Economics at UNSW is designed for recent graduates, professionals, and career changers who want a real-world economics education that can open doors.
So, is this for you? This program is designed for 3 types of people: professionals seeking to upskill and accelerate their careers, career changers seeking practical economic foundations to pivot into policy, consulting, or analysis, and recent graduates from any field who want to move into economics or data-driven roles. To qualify for entry, you will need a bachelor's degree, which can be from any discipline, but with a minimum WAM of 65. We do assume basic high school level maths, but if you need support, we do offer bridging courses to help bring you up to speed. If you're motivated to learn economics and you meet the academic threshold, there'll be a place for you here.
So what makes this different? UNSW Sydney is ranked 19th globally, and our School of Economics is the best academic department in Australia. But this isn't just about rankings. You learn from faculty who are leaders in their field, and you'll join a global network of professionals making a real impact. What's more, this isn't a traditional academic program. It's highly applied, practical by excellence, built for working professionals. We achieve this through an intense focus on developing real-world problem-solving skills at every step. These skills are brought together and highlighted in the economics practicum. The practicum is a hands-on experience where you can apply all that you've learned to real business and policy challenges, and it is designed to set you apart in the global job market.
What will you actually learn? The degree builds a strong economics foundation across 5 core courses: quantitative methods for business, microeconomics, macroeconomics, business economics, and econometrics. You can tailor your learning with electives like financial economics, policy analysis, development economics, business strategy, behavioural economics, and more. Finally, the practicum is a 2-part experience. You'll apply what you've learned to real-world contexts, then reflect critically on the process. But we're flexible on this. If you already have over 1 year of relevant work experience, the practicum can be waived, and you can move directly to your electives.
How will this fit your life? The program takes 1 to 2 years, depending on the background you have and the pace you choose. You have the option to blend both face-to-face and online study. You can choose what works for your schedule. Our graduates work as economists, policy advisors, financial analysts, strategy consultants, government officials, and economic analysts across a wide range of public and private sectors. If you're not quite ready to commit to the complete Masters, you can start with our Graduate Certificate in Economics, a low-risk way to test the waters. When you're ready to apply, visit the UNSW Postgraduate Applications portal. We'd love to have you join us. The Master of Applied Economics at UNSW Business School. Apply today.